back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Ellish Box for April month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price is very affordable. It's only 399 rupees. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box, so you can go ahead and check the link. Now let's quickly open it and see what all it has. So the first thing is this. This is the info card, and this says the spring edition. Let's start with the first product. The first product is from Nykaa, and this is the Radiance Bronzer and Highlighter. The price for this one is 1497 rupees, which is wow, because in a subscription box you're getting a product worth rupees 1497, for which you are just paying 399 rupees. So I think it's great. So I'm already happy. And you know, Nykaa is a really good brand, so super duper happy. Let me just open this and show you. I don't have scissor right now, so let me just try opening it. So you can just see it has one side like it's something like this. So this one, of course, this is the highlighter. This is the bronzer. So yeah, super happy. I will be definitely going to try this one. And of course, this is star product in the box. This is how it looks. Now let's move on to the second one. The second one is by Caffeine, and this is a face scrub by Caffeine, of course. Okay, so this one is Cocoa Caffeine face scrub with argan oil. This is how it looks, and scrub is actually must-have product in summers, because yes, you are going to be tan in summers. So yeah, a perfect product for summers, I guess. And Caffeine is a decent brand, so yes, I'm happy. The price for this one is 399 rupees, quite affordable, I would say. This is SLS free and not tested on animal, paraben free, FDA approved. Price I have already told you, and the quantity, let me tell you the quantity, 100 gram, and this is for dry skin. So yes, I'm going to give this to my sister because mine is not at all dry skin. So yes, I'll be gifting this to my sister. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Bio Ayurveda, and this is a complete care renewal eye cream. So this is the one. I love the packing. It's really nice, very compact, cute glass packing. And Bio Ayurveda is a decent brand, I would say. And just have a look. It's a white cream. Smells nice actually. Yeah, smells nice. And this is for deep hydration, and the price for this one is 919. Manufacture of March 2019, best before 24 months from manufacturing date. Next product is by Kamakshi Botanical, and this is a vetiver water face and body mist. Ingredient, it has 100% pure and natural distilled vetiver water. The price for this one is 230 rupees. Manufacture of February 2019, best before 12 months from the manufacturing date. And I love the packing. It's 100% natural and pure, so yes, liking it. The packing, yes, it's a plastic bottle. It comes with the spray thing, so it's very easy to use. You can just spray it on. So yes, love it. 240 is the price. Did I tell you the price? Yeah, 230, sorry, 230 is the price. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is by Ahara Cosmetics, and this is a bath and foot soak, rosemary bath salt. Okay, I actually love the packing. Not really love, but generally foot soaks, body salts does not come in this type of packing. So the packing is quite different. The color, yes, I'm liking it. So yeah, very cute kind of a packing. And again, bath salt and foot soaks, yes, they are quite useful. So happy with this as well. 50 gram is the quantity, and the price for this one is 200 rupees. And this is the last product in the box. And now I have one more card here. This is by Kamakshi, and I have a coupon code for 25% off. I will be mentioning this in the description box, so don't worry about that. So that's all what I have received in my Ellish box for April month. The total worth of all the product is 3,255 rupees. And you are just paying 399 rupees. So yes, I always love my Ellish box, and this time also it's really nice. I like it. So that's all what I have received. I will be mentioning everything in the description box, so don't worry about that. You will get the buying link and all the information there. Plus, you will get the giveaway link as well because, guys, there is a giveaway going on my channel. I will be mentioning that, as I said, in the description box. So go ahead, check the link, and of course, participate. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.